Let's look at another problem. X squared minus 7 times the modulus of x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now, let's solve this problem now. The modulus of x. Now, what are the possibilities we can have here? So either the x here, it could be positive, or it could be negative. And if it is negative, if this was negative x, then what you'll have is negative 7 times negative x, right? Which is positive 7x. Plus 10 is equal to 0. So if the x is negative, then positive 7x. And if the x is positive, then it remains negative 7x. And we can factorize both. Let's factorize this. We can rewrite the minus 7 as minus 2x minus 5x. We factor by groups. So here, x bracket x minus 2. The other one, minus 5, x minus 2 is our common factor. So here we have x minus 2, x minus 5. We equate both brackets to 0 and solve, which means x equal to 2 or x equal to 5. Let's come over here now and solve. Again, we factorize the same way. Rewrite the 7x as 5x plus 2x or 2x plus 5x. It doesn't matter which you put first. Factor by groups. You get x bracket x plus 2 plus x bracket x plus 5, sorry. And the second group, factor 2. So you have x plus 5 in the bracket. Alright, so x plus 5, x plus 2. And you equate both brackets to 0 and solve. You get x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 2. So this means that, I'll put the solution here. So solution. So x could be 2 or 5 or minus 5 or minus 2. So 4 solutions. Because, think about it. If x is 5, let's do the substitutions and check the solution. If x is 2, then 2 squared would be 4. If x is 2, minus 7 times 2, that would be minus 14 plus 10. What will that give me? 4 plus 10, that's 14. 14 take away 10, that's 0. So it gives me 0, which satisfies the equation. If x is 5, what you'll have is 5 squared, which is 25, minus 7 times 5, which is negative 35, plus 10. And 10 and 25 give me 35. 35 take away 35, which is 0. And if x is minus 5, the modulus of minus 5 will be positive 5. So it's still negative 7 times 5 you're going to have here, which is gives negative 35. And if x is minus 2, this is in modulus of minus 2, which is positive 2. So it's still negative 7 times 2, which gives a negative 14. So whether the x is 2 or minus 2, the modulus of it is always going to be positive 2 you're using. And whether the x value here is 5 or negative 5, the modulus of 2 is 2. The modulus of minus 2 is still 2. And the modulus of minus 5 is still 5. Right? So either way, you'll get 0 on the left hand side. So the left hand side is always equal to the right hand side, 0, as long as x is 2, negative 2, 5, or negative 5.